Today's realities. Toughest financial era since the Great Depression. Average U.S. debt is over $16,000, including mortgages. More than 1 in 4 Americans have no savings. 40% have no retirement. Only 18% know they are on track to reach their income goal in retirement. 65% have no will, 82% have no trust, and 71% have no power of attorney. Every 3 seconds, an identity is stolen. About 43 million people have a 599 credit score or lower. Think about it. How many people do not have their personal and financial affairs in order? How many people have less than perfect credit? Did not protect their identity? Have debt and no idea how to pay it off? Did not have life insurance? Did not have all of their important personal and financial information organized and easily available for loved ones in case of an emergency? Did not have a will, trust, and power of attorney, leaving their family totally unprotected? Should people have these things? Why don't they? A lack of financial education. Financial education services. We provide the education needed. The education we needed a long time ago. Products and services to protect your identity, credit, family, finances, and future. Lucrative and promising career opportunities. Founded in 2004, headquartered in Farmington Hills, Michigan, over $50 million in sales, debt-free, same key executives since the company's inception. Our products include credit restoration. Today, your credit score is like a vital sign. It's being monitored at all times. About 25% of the population has a 599 credit score or below. Over the course of your lifetime, less than excellent credit rating could cost you over $200,000. 60% of employers ran a credit check on at least some applicants. 4 in 5 credit reports have errors on them, causing lower credit scores. Over the past decade, millions of Americans have watched their credit scores rapidly decline because of economic times. Credit bureaus are privately held billion-dollar companies. Did not verify items placed on your credit reports. Pay fines each year for failing to update credit files correctly. Don't make money correcting credit. They make money selling credit files to big industries and companies. You can restore your score. The Fair Credit Reporting Act gives Americans the right to dispute and/or investigate any item on their credit report. Inaccurate, erroneous, and obsolete items such as late payments, charge-offs, foreclosures, judgments, repossessions, bankruptcies, tax liens, collections, short sales, medical bills, and many other items can be removed from your credit score or can be updated to reflect paid as agreed. This is a website of the Financial Credit Education Services. Shows you your credit score and the different categories that show the date of the credit incident, the category, and if it's or whether or not it's in dispute, and if it has been changed. You will have access to all of these tools. United Credit Education Services has a 10-year track record, A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, removed over 600,000 derogatory items from people's credit reports, guaranteed. Thousands of satisfied customers. In just 2 months, My credit score increased to the point of my car insurance premium was lowered by $2,000 a year. Bill Shook from Atlanta, Georgia says, the real estate collapse forced me into a short sale which was sure to damage my credit, but it was deleted from my credit report in the first 30 days. Here are more examples of credit restoration, improving credits of individuals just like you. What would it be worth to have excellent credit? $5,000? Doesn't cost that. $2,500? Not here. $1,000? Nope. 1 year service cost you a mere $499 with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. The monthly option allows you to pay $199 up front for the first month, $160 activation fee plus $39 for the first month, $39 per month thereafter. No contract. Keep the service until you reach your desired service. So now you have to make a decision. It's not for me at this time, but I certainly know some people this may be a good fit for, who definitely can benefit from these benefits. Number 2, I need some of the individual services myself, or it might just be best for me to become a protection plan membership. This makes perfect sense. I'm ready to get started. Just show me how. Congratulations and welcome to the FES team. Please look below for the website and join me on the other side.